Enjoy the view of this 2022 Nissan Frontier. Make comfort and convenience part of every job in this well-equipped Frontier. This midsize pickup is built to work as hard as you do, and it's available at an exceptional value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, fog lamps, blind spot monitor, trailer hitch, electronic stability control, floor mats, sliding rear window, trip computer, bucket seats. Feel ready to meet the challenge in this capable Frontier. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.